Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today we're doing our 9 in 2019 project pan. This is the update number 765. I don't even know. I can't keep up anymore. That's okay. So we have some products that I may or may not have finished, doing great progress on. This is a rolling project pan, so you may or may not see some things come out, come in. You know the drill. I do this every month. You guys enjoy it. I enjoy doing it myself. We're gonna go ahead and get into it because I am a blabbering person that can't talk. But before I get into it, if you're new to my channel, my name is Alex. We are a channel of eyeshadow enthusiasts with a dash of project panning. You guys can see that clearly. I am a fan of anything eyeshadow, but I also like to project pan. So if that's something that appeals to you, subscribe, join the familia. We would love to have you around and join us. Now let's get into our update. All right, you guys, so here we go with our 9 in 2019 update. This is our July update, August update. I suck at this, but I do have my products here. This is a rolling project pan, so if I finish anything, I will share with you guys, and we will pick new products out while we're here. So we're gonna get started. First and foremost, obviously, if I have any tallies, any pictures, you guys will see them up on the beautiful screen as I edit this video. So don't fret. I love doing that because I love watching it myself. First and foremost is my Marc Jacobs Slow Burn. Let me tell you guys, I've had this lipstick in this project for at least 3 months, and I've called it the wrong name this whole time. I'm going to continue calling it Slow Burn because I'm going to forget, but this is actually No Angel. This is the color No Angel. It looks very similar to Slow Burn, just Slow Burn's a little bit more pink. Whatever. It's still a Marc Jacobs lipstick. I'm just going to go with the flow and go and roll with it. That's what I'm going to do. So this lipstick, my goal is to finish this up. As you guys can see, I am still there. The little triangle is still sitting there. Honestly, the last month I've only used it maybe twice. I've just been enjoying a bold lip. I know a few have commented that I should wear nude lips with certain colors. I don't care. I want to wear my bold lips. I want to enjoy the bold lips now that summer is here. I tend to mix this more often in the winter time because I do more sultry, more bold eye looks than I do in the summer, just because in the summer it's so hot. I don't want to wear so much eye makeup, but I still want like color. This is what I normally do. So I haven't really been playing around with this one. So there is no tally. What you saw last month is what you get. 2 times ain't gonna move it anywhere. So I know that my goal is to finish this up. I'm getting there slowly but surely. The Sigma eyeshadow base, as you guys can see on the tally as well, this is going strong. Look at that sucker. Woo! That's all I got left. I got a nubby left. As you guys, as I predicted, if I use this every day like I have been doing, the tally should equal out to themselves, and that's what's been happening. So my prediction and my hopes were in the beginning of this project, because this has been here since January, that I was going to finish this at the end of August. That is not going to happen. I have a feeling it'll be done by the beginning of October. If I see my tallies correctly, this should be done by October, which is amazing because it'll be done before the end of the year, and that is my main goal for this. So I'm almost done with it. I use it every single time I do eye makeup. It's not a chore. I enjoy it. It's still creamy. I'm happy that I am fully aware of how long these take, because I already saw my drawer full of shadow sticks because I already put that collection up on my channel, and these are going to take me a while. Next up is my cargo powder. So this one I have weighed. I can't remember how much it weighed the last time. Currently, this weighs 45 grams, so I am getting use out of it. And it so happened that 2 days ago, I'm like, let me look at it from the side. And you guys, what? Who am I? When did I start using loose powder so quickly? I had no clue. This has 9 grams of product. And look how much I have left. Like, that's all that I have left. And this was brand new when I put this in this project. So yeah, I don't have that much left. I swore this was going to be in here till the end of the year, which is not a pain for me. I enjoy this product. I've used it. I've tested it in the heat. I've walked with a full face of makeup in this humidity. I'm serious. Like, the humidity is ridiculous right now. Like, we're still in a heat wave as we speak, as I'm filming this. Is why the fan's on. And this keeps my whole face completely matte and beautifully and flawless. So I really like this. I don't know if this powder is still available, but it's beautiful. So it's not a chore. And now I'm thinking this should be done within another 2 months. So this is not gonna stay here forever. Stila All Over Shimmer Liquid Illuminator. I'm wearing this all over my body. I've been having so much fun with this product. I've been mixing it with my lotions, which is making me use my lotions more, which is making me look glistening and beautiful in the sun. This is going super fast. When I first started, I was right here. Now I'm pretty sure I'm around here. I am having to tilt this on the side and scrape the edges and kind of like shake and scrape, because when I see, now it has goopiness. When I don't do that, only the tip, like only the tip of this applicator has product on it. So I normally like shake and then scraping the sides. I shake and scrape. That's hard to say. Shake and scrape. So I shake and scrape to get any product out of here now. I have a feeling this should be done in the next month. I don't think this is gonna last much longer. This was brand new, basically brand new when I first started this. I barely used it. I'm very, very happy because that means another liquid illuminator is leaving my collection, but this is beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm not sure if this is even available, but I'm happy that I got to use it before it dried up. I got to use it before it died. It was in my closet. Laura Geller Illuminator. This is a liquid gelato pillow top illuminator. Way too long of a name for a product. So this was brand spanking new when I first brought this in, and look, I am now having to bend this and squeeze it out. So this should be done by the end, by next update as well. This is not gonna last another month. I use this every single day. I mix it with my primer and my foundation, and it is what I'm wearing on my face. Because this powder is so mattifying and my foundation is so mattifying, this works well with it to give me some sort of luminosity. Yes, this does show a little bit of sparkle in the sun. I don't mind it. You can't see it from afar. You can only see it if you're up close and personal. And most people that are up close and personal to me are my friends and family, and they ain't gonna care. They don't care that my face is shiny. They don't care that I'm glistening. They're actually asking me how the hell do I do it? So I don't mind that, but I'm just giving you a fair warning for those that want to use up illuminators that way. I always give you guys a heads up because I don't know your situation. I'm giving you my situation. So this is not bad. I'm enjoying it. It's working well with my tan. I am pretty sure this wouldn't have never worked in the wintertime for me. So this should be done in another month. Another liquid illuminator out of my collection. I am so on a roll this year with my cream products. I'm so happy. My MAC Prolong Wear. This is my holy grail, and I don't use that word often on my channel, but this is definitely my holy grail. This is what I'm wearing. This is what I've been wearing for the last few months. I will continue to wear this, so why not put it in a project pan, because it is so easy for me to use. So we were here when I came on, and now we're right over here. It's a slow process, and you guys are fully aware why, because you don't do a full pump. I do a quarter of a pump under my eyes. And you guys, I was a little adventurous, and I'm like, let me put this under my eyes and prove that it is self-setting. I have not worn this concealer in about 2 weeks without powder under my eyes. I have no powder under my eyes, and look, there's no creasing. It doesn't fade. It doesn't look crepey at the end of the day. I'm telling you, I just fell in love with it all over again, because now I do not set under my eyes, and you guys know how dry my under eyes are. So if I can avoid putting powder under my eyes, hallelujah. Yeah, I'm gonna repurchase this when I'm done. I have another one, so I'm gonna repurchase once I'm done them all, and this will only be my concealer because it is self-setting. That's what I need. I have dry under eyes, don't need to add powder, so I'm dying to try this. Look at me, I'm all spitting everywhere. Dying to try this in the winter to really see how it works, how it really looks, because right now in the humidity, in this 100-degree weather, you guys, it is holding up beautifully. Lise Wattier. So this is a mascara. This is supposed to be a give me, but because I have a full-size mascara in a different project pan I'm trying to use, I forgot how long it takes for a full-size mascara to go up. So I'm using that one right now. I am using this one intermittently in between. So this isn't done. I don't know when it'll be done, honestly, because I'm still trying to use the other one, which is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. But this is pretty. This I do have to layer at least 2 to 3 times on my lashes for it to give me that full effect that I want. But it does. It does look nice. It doesn't run all over my face. It doesn't put any raccoon eyes under it. It's really, really nice. This is a good one. And I know that Drea said she liked this one too. So this one's still in the project. It's still not done yet. My NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. You guys, this was brand new. And look, I'm pretty sure this will be done by next update as well. This is such a good primer. I actually don't want it to go. I really like this one. I think I like this one more than the Makeup Forever one that I said I might consider purchasing. No, this is going to be it. This is the primer that I want. This is the primer I'm going to use. It is moisturizing yet mattifying all at the same time. And I only put little dots like this. 1, 2, 3. On my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin, because that's where I mainly get oily, and it looks so pretty. I don't know if it's this or the powder that's making me look amazing. I don't care. I like both of them. This is beautiful. This should be done next time. I'm trying to milk it for the rest of the heat time. Last but not least is my cargo shadow insurance. So I was here when we first started. I was down right there, and now we are completely done. I mean, I squeezed the crap out of this thing. I bent it, I squeezed it, I went sideways. I did everything to squeeze every last bit of it out. It is completely done. So I have finished a product in here. I'm very, very happy and proud of myself that yet another eye primer is done this year. So we're gonna recap. We have finished one product and only one product this time around. Normally I finish 3 to 4 products, so this is new to me. Normally I get more things done, but I have things here that should be done next month. So I'm going to pick out an eye primer to replace this one. All right, you guys. So I've been using this one when this one finished. So we're just going to add this one to the project pan. This is the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. This is what it looks like here. I just maybe a week or two started using this, so it hasn't gotten much use. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I love this one. This is one of my favorite high-end ones. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I actually prefer this one over this one and the Urban Decay, but I'm going to use all those up because they do work, and why give away something that's good and then having to spend money on something that you already had for free. So my goal is to completely finish this up, so I'm going to roll this into this project pan. Let's set goals for next month, all right? This is going to be here till the end of the year, so we're just going to continue to use this. I have a feeling this is also going to be in here next month, so I'm not even going to bother with that. This should be done. I'm calling it. This will be done by next update. Perfect. This is going to continue to be in here. You guys know how I am with lip products. It's going to take me forever. My NARS primer should also be done by next update. So that's 2 things. This Stila All Over Illuminator should be done by the next update as well. So that's the 3rd thing. This cargo powder, I am hesitant to say next month. I think it'll take me 2 months to finish this one up. And then this one should also take me about 2 months to finish up. So for the next update, you should see 3 empties, and I should be rolling in 3 more products. That is what I am predicting, guessing, you know the drill. I am very excited though, even though I didn't have as much as I normally do, but I still had some, and that's all that counts. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do project pans, let me know in the comment section because I love to search YouTube for project pans. I enjoy watching them in the evenings. By the way, I did start an Instagram just for my project pans. It is One Beauty Panner. I will link it down in my description box. I'll put it up on the screen. So if you want to follow me, see any shiny pans, any empties, anything of that sort, I will post it specifically there. I wanted to separate my regular Instagram with my project pans just because they are 2 separate entities in my eyes and on my channel. So why not do it on Instagram? So follow me there if you guys want to see empties, finishing product, bottom of jars, you know the drill. That's what I'll be posting there. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to continue your journey with me, you can click on this video right over here. I'm pretty sure it's another project pan I'm currently doing, so you can check that video out. I will see you guys in that video. Until then, bye guys.